When you stay in a hotel room, you expect to find fresh, clean sheets. But is that always the case? No! Don't jump!
Who are you?
I just saved your life. You were about to jump on dirty bed sheets.
What are you talking about? I just booked this room. They would have changed the sheets.
Well, right. Most hotel rooms are supposed to change their sheets after every guest. However, check this out.
Ah! How do I know if these are clean sheets?
We created Revealed. Rechargeable UV light especially designed for travelers. By using multi-wavelength UV and 180 degrees wide angle, Revealed finds hidden fluids that most other UV lights can easily miss. Using Revealed is very easy. Simply turn on Revealed and start to scan it on certain areas, like the bathroom, toilet seats, walls, and of course the bed.
Holy sh!
I'm sure glad you didn't lay on it. And when you need a bright light, with just the click of a button, Reveal turns into a flashlight.
What do I do about these sheets?
Our team has completed the design and are ready to start manufacturing. In order to bring Revealed to travelers and photographers around the world, please share and support our campaign. Thank you.